Welcome back. Well, you've likely heard the phrase pretty in pink, but did you know that being bathed in pink could actually help you be pretty?
Oh, look at that. Well, pink noise, that is. So Northwestern researchers are turning to it to help people get a deeper, more restful sleep. And a growing number of people are flocking to pink noise apps for that often. Elusive beauty rest. We all love that. Here's ABC's Rhiannon Alley.
You've heard of white noise, a sound that can drown out background noise and increase the quality of your sleep. But white noise now has some colorful competition. Meet pink noise. It turns out noise, much like light, can be described by different colors.
On lower wavelengths of light, we have more red frequency, and on higher wavelengths, we have more bluish and violet frequencies. So in much the same way, sound can be described with colors based on the distribution of sound.
Researchers at Northwestern University have been studying the effects of different colored noises on our sleep, and the results would make even Barbie proud.
We give short pulses of pink noise. We found that in older adults, they have better memory recall after sleep when they got the sounds.
The researchers say the waves produced by pink noise, more than any other color, mirror those produced by the brain during deep sleep. In small studies, the noises appeared to help enhance deep sleep, which resulted in improved memory and relaxation. In a different study, pink noise played during sleep appeared to help people with ADHD improve their concentration. Pink, along with several other noise colors, are available on YouTube and meditation apps. But scientists say more research is needed on how the noises affect our brains. So it's best not to lose too much sleep over it.
Doctors say it's important to keep the volume reasonable to prevent any hearing damage. Scientists hope that this research can one day lead to a medical device that improves your sleep and your memory. Rhiannon Alley, ABC News, New York.